Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edwin Mendaros, and for today's quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Windows error reporting ID error message 1001 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. So the error message show the computer has rebooted from a bug check with the corresponding 0x00008 and other details dito mga kaibigan. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix, and without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up on a search menu, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. So kailangan mo lang mag-right click dito, and then select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. If you receive user account control, and then click mo lang dito yung yes. So dito sa administrator command prompt ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na dsym /online /cleanup -image /restore out. So copy lang natin yan, and then kung paano ba natin dito i-paste. So dito lang sa taas kailangan mo lang mag right click, and then select mo lang dito yung edit, and then kailangan mo lang itap dito yung paste, or pwede mong gamitin yung keyboard shortcut na Ctrl+B. And then click mo lang yan. And then next ay press mo yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito yung deployment image servicings and management tool. So dito ay kailangan lang natin hintay na makomplete ang verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na the restore operations completed successfully. And the next command keyword na kailangan natin i-enter ay i-type mo lang yung sfc /scan now. So in or small letter lahat, and then yung /scan now ay one word po yan. And then press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo na dito na beginning system scan. This process will take some time. Beginning verifications phase of system scan. So kailangan ulit natin na hintay na makomplete yung verifications into 100%. Okay, so makikita mo na dito na verifications 100% complete. And the next step natin gagawin, so close lang natin tong CMD, and then dito lang sa start menu, and then kailangan lang natin mag-restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple on how to fix Windows error reporting ID 1001. And please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys, and see you in my next tutorial.